1964 Johnson, 9.5 horsepower. We're going to do a cold start and see how this thing starts. Start, neutral, choke. Here we go. Wow. One pull. Good water pump action. Smooth running. Do a little rev up. Man, what a sweet running motor. I hate to get rid of it.